Additionally, George wanted air-fuel ratio reading on his YXZ, so we hooked him up with one of our inline X-Series wideband controllers. The nice thing about these controllers is they not only transmit a 0 to 5 analog signal, but they also output over our AEMnet CAN. To incorporate that into this vehicle, since we already have multiple CAN-enabled devices, we used our new 4-port CAN Hub. The nice thing about this is it gives us 4 DTM connection points for daisy chaining AEMnet or any additional CAN bus devices together. We rate our 4-port CAN Hub at a maximum current draw of 3 amps. And we want to make sure that we hook up any of our wideband controllers with a minimum of a 5 amp source. So to do that, we tapped into the factory cigarette lighter on this Yamaha. The cigarette lighter is a switched 12-volt power source, which means that there's 12 volts applied only when the key is in the on position, which means that the sensor and controller will not be powered unless the key is on or the engine is running.
Hi, I'm Lawson and I'm here with... I can't even get it out. Hi, I'm Lawson. I mean, I was on it right there and you just dicked it off. Hey, Jay.
Hey, Law.
Take this installation.